Hello there, everyone. So I am so excited because I'm going to be starting a new series of healthy recipes that will come out every single Monday. Now, I recently came home from a 2-month-long backpacking trip where I was out on the Pacific Crest Trail, which is a long-distance trail from the border of Mexico to the border of Canada. It goes all the way through California, Oregon, and Washington. I know. Now, I was able to hike 425 miles, which I am proud of, but unfortunately, I had to go home due to injury. So my focus now is to try to get stronger and healthier, and that is why I'm starting this healthy series, because I want to start eating healthier myself, and so I've been cooking healthy recipes since I've gotten home, and I wanted to share those with you. Now, I have to say that my experience while I was out on trail is something that I will always cherish. The wonderful people that I met, the support and encouragement that I had is just unbelievable. And I just have to thank everybody for their support. Some of you may know this because you may have followed my journey on my other channel, which is Heavenly Hikes and Travels. And if you haven't, you can go check it out. My sister is actually, she was with me, and she is back on trail now, so you can follow along her journey as she continues on. And the recipes that I will be focusing on are higher in protein and lower in carbs and sugar, and a lot more vegetable dishes and things like that. But if you have a healthy recipe that you would like to share, you can leave that in the comments below, or if there's something that you're looking for, you can just let me know that. And the last thing that I'm going to say before I show you what I've made is, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I hope that you'll consider to do so. Share my videos, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. Help me to grow this channel. I have been on YouTube now since 2019, and I would love to get this channel up to the next level. Okay, guys, what we have here is a flourless coconut Greek yogurt cake. So let me show you just how to make it. To a large mixing bowl, add 3 eggs. And then use an electric mixer to beat the eggs until they are light and fluffy. Then add 1/4 cup of maple syrup, but you could also use honey. Then add 1/2 cup of plain Greek yogurt. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 3/4 cup of almond flour. Then 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Then give a good pinch of salt and 1 cup of unsweetened shredded coconut. Place a piece of parchment paper in the bottom of a 10-inch springform pan, and then I'm going to lightly spray it with some nonstick spray, and then pour the batter into the pan. And bake in a 350-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes. And the first recipe is, yes, it is a dessert. It is for a flourless coconut Greek yogurt cake. And I found the recipe from Jamie Oliver. And each slice, if you cut the cake into 8 pieces, each slice is 193 calories and 6 grams of protein. And the only sugar is the maple syrup. Of course, you don't have to give it a dusting of powdered sugar. I just did that to make it look a little prettier. But let's give this a taste test and see what I think. And you could also add some whipped cream on top. You could add some yogurt on top if you like. It's not overly sweet, which is good. Very, very moist. I think you could even eat this for breakfast, honestly. Yes, add some yogurt and berries to this, and you have a full-fledged breakfast that would be high in protein. Okay, well, thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day. God bless, and as always, I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.